ordered the soundbar about last week, sometime later last week, from a local, not dealer, just a local guy that has a shop a few towns away. And I figured I'd buy from him instead of buying online, just, you know, shop local. And he offered free installation, and it actually just came in today, and he got it installed today. It's a Wet Sounds Stealth 10, I think it is. And it's, I think it's putting out like 300 watts or so. Obviously, I can't really play any music other than like no copyright sounds music. So even way up here, I don't know if you can hear me, with the music directed back, you can still hear it. I mean, very good up here. It's a loud unit. And even I'm not gonna turn the razor on right now, but even with it on, you almost can't even hear the exhaust when you're sitting up front. Inside, it's just insane.